Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical Titanium Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to change these straps on this watch. To change these straps on this watch, first you need to remove the old ones. To do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap there is this lever you can pull. Basically how it works is if you pull on this lever, it will release the mechanism and you can pull out the strap. So grab the lever, pull it, and release the strap. And how it works, I can show it more the way how it works. Basically you can pull on the lever, and if you pull on it, it retracts this pin, and this pin is right here in this hole on the watch. So if it retracts the pin, it releases the mechanism and you can pull out the strap. And we can do the same for the other one. So pull on the lever and take out the strap. Quite simple. And here we have our watch, and here we have our straps. And once you get new straps on, or rather once you get new straps you can put on, you grab them, you put the strap like this. You take the farther and the end, the pin that is farther away from the lever, basically the other end, you put it in the hole right here. You pull on the lever to retract the pin, then align it, release the pin, and it's gonna click and it's gonna hold. Now let's do this for the second one. So put it in a hole right here, pull on the lever, align it, and release the lever to release the pin, and it should click in, and once it does, it will hold. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.